So here's the before and here's the after. What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you these two LED mirrors. We're going to discuss why it is a good idea to have these if you just want a quick upgrade of your home or even if you're selling them. These are the original mirrors. As you can see, they are really nice. However, this just makes it that much more luxurious. You usually see these at hotels, spas. Now they're in your home. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so here it is plugged in into our electrical. Now this is not hardwired yet. To do that, we're going to have to go behind and connect it to that. We're probably going to eliminate those as well. But let me show you the mirror itself. So we're going to turn off the main light. And by default, you have two buttons here. This is your main light. This is your defog. And then holding this is going to dim it. So within 3 seconds of turning on the light, you can circle through the 3 different colors. See that? This is our mix. Now we're gonna turn off the main lights. And with this light, which is a mix between the warm and the daylight, it's actually this is like right now darkness. So you can see that this is how much you can see. So all in all, I'm very happy with this. We're gonna go and grab a second one. All right, so here are 2 mirrors. They're not hardwired in at this moment. So to test it, again, you press this in. And that's going to activate the power. So again, both look really nice. They're 32 by 24. They do come in different sizes to fit any need that you may have. Now we're not going to get into the installation because it's going to be a lot of work. We're going to hardwire it to this fixture, which means we have to open this, take this down. There are 3 cables. There's a ground, there is a white neutral, and then there's a black. And all we have to do is just take this, connect this to the black, take this, connect it to the existing white, and take this, connect it to the existing green or ground, and it's going to work on the same switch that light works. And if you have 2 mirrors, then you basically connect all of them together, and then all of them are going to work on the same switch. So do I like them? I definitely do. It definitely makes a massive statement in your bathroom. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.